the Hermetic Rose Cross. This intricate symbol is called the alchemical and Hermetic Rose Cross and is a very old mystical symbol. It is composed of two rosy crosses united into one. The small rosy cross at the center, representative of man, the microcosm, is in turn the center point of a larger rose residing at the heart of the large cross, symbolic of the macrocosm. Upon the four ends of the large cross are inscribed the three alchemical symbols: Mercury, Sulphur, and Salt. At the top of the cross, Mercury is placed in the center, Sulphur on the left, and Salt on the right. Upon the other ends of the cross, the symbols have been inscribed in such an order as to conform to the esoteric tradition. Also upon each arm, adjacent to the alchemical symbols, is the symbol of the pentagram. This five-pointed figure is a symbolic representation of the rosy cross itself, the victory of the quintessence over the four alchemical elements. The wheel at the top of each pentagram represents the quintessence. The small triangle on the left, with the point downward and a line parallel to the base, symbolizes earth. The triangle above, with a line parallel to the base but with the point represents air. The upper triangle on the right of the pentagram, with the point downward, symbolizes water. The lower small triangle on the right, with the point upward, represents fire. On the lower arm of the figure, below the rose, is a hexagram, symbol of the macrocosm, composed of two interlaced triangles. At its points are inscribed the 6 planets according to the ancient astrological tradition. At the bottom is the moon, at its right is Venus, followed in turn by Jupiter, Saturn, Mars, and Mercury. At the center of the hexagram is the sun. The order of arrangement of these symbols conforms to certain Kabbalistic rituals. The lower end of the longest arm is divided into 4 sections by 2 diagonal lines. These sections are colored according to the 4 colors of Malkuth of the Kabbalistic tree of life. The 4 sets of 3 rays which extend outward from the center of the large cross symbolize the divine light. The letters inscribed upon each large center ray combine into INRI. According to the Rosicrucian historian, Frater Wittemans represents a Latin motto meaning, "Nature is completely renewed by fire." The letters upon the smaller rays represent evocative names of Latin, Egyptian, and Greek origin. The petals of the large rose on the cross are 22 in number and stand for the 22 letters of the Hebrew Kabbalistic alphabet. The outer circle of 12 petals represents the 12 single letters of this alphabet, and in particular the 12 signs of the zodiac. The next circle of 7 petals symbolizes the 7 double letters, in particular the 7 astrological planets. The innermost circle of the 3 petals represents the 3 mother letters, air, fire, and water. At the center of the large rose is a microcosmic rose cross, an unfolded cube with a 5-petaled rose at its center. 4 barbs emerge from behind this cross, pointing in the 4 directions of space. The complete symbol, or encyclopedic rose cross, symbolizes all the majesty, power, beauty, and protection of the Rosicrucian order. From Behold the Sign, by Ralph M. Lewis, Frater RC.